Hello and Jai Hind friends. Welcome to my channel SAFFRON Notion, Igniting Minds. In today's video, we will be discussing political spectrum, that what is it and what is meant by left and right wing. You all must have heard something about these terms. Let us understand its meaning. First of all, why we should study these terms. Political spectrum is one of the most fundamental terms regarding politics. It will enrich your knowledge. It acts as a tool to judge policies. In turn, it helps you in debates and discussion. Sounds interesting. Let's see what it actually is. Political spectrum is a system of classifying different political positions or ideology in relation to each other. That is, it is a tool to compare parties, ideologies, or thinking. There must be some criteria. There must be some criteria on which we could say these views is left or right. Now let's see those criteria. That is authoritarian axis, which checks how much authority is provided, and libertarian axis, which shows how much liberty is provided. Here the question arises, what are the meaning of these terms? That is, authoritarianism means a form of government characterized by a strong central power and limited political power. There is very high regimentation. And second is libertarianism. It is a political ideology or thinking that has liberty at its core principle. It has flexible regimentation. It maximizes freedom. Now, this is the political spectrum in two dimensions. There are two axes, authoritarian and libertarian. There is a center, and thinking or ideology left to center is left wing, and thinking or ideology right to center is right wing. Let's see more about left wing and right wing. Left wing. It is a thinking or ideology which emphasizes on ideas such as equality, freedom, and liberty. It demands liberalization in economy and less government intervention. They are communist, socialist, etc. Examples are Indian National Congress and all communist parties. They are against death penalty and they believe no one should be sentenced to death. Right wing. They emphasize on authority, law and order, nationalism and patriotism. They support ancient ideology and want a gradual shift and slow changes. Example, Bharatiya Janata Party, Republican Party USA, राष्ट्रीय स्वयंसेवक संघ, Shiv Sena, and many more. They support death penalty for harsh crimes. Centrism. Centrism is a specific position that involves acceptance or support of a balance of social equality. There can be left centrist or right centrist. Left centrist. They lean towards left. Example, Indian National Congress and Labour Party UK. And right centrist party are those parties which lean towards right. Example, Bharatiya Janata Party, Republican Party.